Hi guys, welcome back. I have a really quick, easy Dollar Tree Disney DIY for you. My daughter recently got into pins, Disney pins, not so much pin trading, but pin accumulating, and we needed a way to store them. So I'm gonna make a pin board. These are really cute. It's gonna be shaped like Mickey's head, and you can buy these on Etsy, but they can get pretty pricey. And I thought I could make this myself for just $2. I'm using this cork board, these sheets of cork board. Dollar Tree has these in their craft section, kind of where they sell craft paints and yarn. That's where you'll find this. I bought just 2 sheets because that was fine for the size I wanted to make, but you could make this as big as you wanted and just buy a couple more sheets of the cork board. So yeah, they're self-adhesive. You just have to pull that backing off and they go right on. They stick amazing. It's a really good quality product. I liked that I didn't have to use glue or anything. It's not messy. So I made my backing out of cardboard. I had a bunch of Amazon boxes, so that's why I chose that. I've seen people do this using foam board, and you can get foam board at the Dollar Tree as well, so you can go that route if you like. And then once you have it adhered to your surface, you just cut off the excess. To make that Mickey shape, I just traced the 3 circles using some bowls I had. So then I cut off the excess. This was a little tricky because it has that adhesive backing. It got a little bit stuck to the scissors, but just be patient with it and you'll get there. And then once I was done getting all that excess off, I wanted to add something to the edges just to clean it up a little, because you will see that cardboard edge and I wanted to cover it up. So I'm going to use some very thin ribbon, and I'm just going to use white craft glue to glue it on. You could use hot glue as well, but I had the craft glue at hand, and then just go around. I'm using this ribbon, but you could use whatever detailing you like. You could put beads, you could do twine, whatever you like. You could also get your kids involved, let them decorate their own board, and let them put whatever they like. They could use markers, they could decorate it, stickers, whatever. This is really easy for little kids to get involved with. That's kind of the projects that I like as well. And then once you're done, the last step is to get an extra piece of ribbon or your string, fold it in half to make kind of a loop, and then you want to glue that to the back of your board, and that's where you can hang it on the wall. Once we finished ours, we've been kind of moving it around. My daughter and I haven't picked yet exactly where we want it to go, but it's so cute. You can see here it holds a lot of pins and we have room for more. So we were really happy with how this came out. It took maybe 5 minutes, really easy. Let me know in the comments if this is something you might try, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will let me know to do more quick projects like this, and it helps other people see the video. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.